Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make passive income online with ChatGPT. Today I'll be showing you how you can leverage the power of OpenAI's language model to generate a steady stream of income. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a content creator, or simply looking for a way to make some extra cash, these tips will help you get started. Number 1. Understanding ChatGPT and its capabilities. Before we dive into the ways you can make passive income with ChatGPT, let's start by understanding what ChatGPT is and what it can do. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It has been trained on massive amounts of text data, allowing it to generate human-like responses to questions and perform various language-related tasks. From generating chatbots to virtual assistants, ChatGPT has a wide range of applications. Its advanced language capabilities make it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals alike. Number 2. The benefits of making passive income online. Now, let's talk about the benefits of making passive income online. One of the biggest advantages of making passive income online is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere, at any time, and on your own schedule. Another advantage of making passive income online is the low startup costs. You don't need a lot of money to get started, and many of the tools and resources you'll need are free or low cost. The sky's the limit when it comes to the amount of passive income you can generate online. With a little effort and some creativity, you can turn ChatGPT into a lucrative source of passive income. Number 3. How to make passive income online with ChatGPT. Now that we've covered the benefits of making passive income online, let's dive into the ways you can make money with ChatGPT. One of the most popular ways to make passive income with ChatGPT is by developing chatbots for businesses. Chatbots can handle simple customer queries, provide 24/7 customer support, and streamline a business's customer service operations. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by creating virtual assistants for individuals or businesses. Virtual assistants can handle tasks such as scheduling appointments, sending emails, and even making reservations. You can also use ChatGPT to generate articles, blog posts, and other types of content. Its advanced language capabilities allow it to generate high-quality content in a matter of minutes, making it an efficient and cost-effective solution for businesses in need of content. Another way to make money using ChatGPT is by building and selling chat-based apps. You can leverage the advanced language processing capabilities of ChatGPT to create innovative and engaging apps that will appeal to a wide range of users. Whether you're creating a chat-based gaming app, a virtual assistant app, or a productivity app, ChatGPT can help you bring your ideas to life. By combining the power of ChatGPT with your creativity and technical skills, you can create apps that will not only entertain and engage users, but also provide real value. Number 4. Getting started with ChatGPT. The first step is to sign up for an OpenAI API key, which is free. Once you have your API key, you can start using ChatGPT for various applications and start making passive income. It's important to note that while making passive income with ChatGPT is relatively easy, it does take some effort and creativity. You'll need to learn how to use ChatGPT, develop your chatbots, virtual assistants, or content, and market your services. Number 5. Tips for success. Here are a few tips for making the most of your passive income efforts with ChatGPT. Stay organized, keep track of your projects, clients, and earnings to help you stay on top of things. ChatGPT is a constantly evolving technology, so be sure to stay up to date on the latest developments and advancements. Networking and collaborating with other ChatGPT users can help you generate new ideas, find new clients, and grow your passive income streams. To stand out from the competition, offer unique and high-quality services that set you apart. Be consistent and dedicated. Making passive income with ChatGPT takes time and effort, so be consistent and dedicated to your efforts and keep working at it. Making passive income with ChatGPT is a great way to generate a steady stream of income, while enjoying the benefits of flexibility and low startup costs. So don't wait any longer, start exploring the possibilities of ChatGPT today and see how you can turn your ideas into reality. With patience, persistence, and discipline, you will be able to reach your financial goals and live the life you want. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.